Hello and welcome to the Blabu Preparation mini course for the B2FIRST speaking examination, formerly known as the Cambridge English First FCE. This is a globally accepted English language exam that's recognised by many educational institutions and employers from around the world. Our mini course offers you practice for all four parts of the speaking exam, focusing on the language and communication skills needed for each section of the exam to help you perform to your full potential on the day. Your preparation will be guided by homework and self-study throughout the course. This, combined with personalised feedback from your tutor, will be used to help you achieve your goal. Blabu offers you completely flexible one-to-one sessions, which are tailor-made to your individual wants and needs, with highly experienced B2FIRST preparation tutors who have lots of tips and tricks from the FCE examiners to help you. Book this mini course now and be exam ready in no time.